What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and I'm not sure if it's obvious or not, but I am super jet lagged right now. Like, we were supposed to land home from vacation yesterday at 7:45 p.m., but instead we got delayed, and I got home at almost 4 a.m. this morning. That is absolutely insane. How am I functioning right now, you may ask? How am I filming right now, you may ask? Well, I am absolutely fueled by three things right now: hype, excitement, and adrenaline. Why is that? I know, so many questions, but we have a very, very important package right here that was delivered while I was away, and this is something that is very important to me. It's something that we earned together. It's a milestone that we hit a few weeks back. It is the YouTube Silver Play Button, the Creator Award for 100,000 subscribers. This is truly exciting stuff, my friends. So I actually set my sights on this thing a few months back when I realized, maybe I should set a goal and actually try to hit 100,000 subscribers before my birthday in August. We actually crushed that goal. We hit it almost a full month before my birthday. That is wild to think about. So today I wanted to unbox this thing together because all of you who are watching this video have been a part of this journey. Whether you've been watching for the full 10 plus years that I've been doing this, 5 years, a year, a month, a minute, an hour, whatever it is, you guys have been a part of this journey. You guys are the reason why this thing is here right now. As a matter of fact, that actually gave me a good idea for a question to ask. How long have you been watching the channel? Let me know in the comments box down below. I'm actually kind of curious about that. Anyways, let's open this up. This is really something I've been waiting for. This is something I've been waiting a really long time for. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. Here we go. All right, let's start. We got some papers. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Rick, you are the real MVP, my friend. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. And we have another note here from YouTube. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. We have a note here from YouTube we gotta read first though. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. Maybe we should try it. Let's go to the Milky Way. Why not? And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they've come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them just as your growing community continues to inspire you. That could not be more true. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. YouTube. Guys, I really can't put into words how much YouTube has truly changed my life. Literally, the shy, quiet kid doing all this stuff. Like, never in a million years would I ever have thought that this was going to happen. Whew. This is a lot to take in right now. But here we go. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this is happening. Look how shiny it is. You can see the light and the microphone reflecting in this thing. Unbelievable. This is unreal, guys. This is truly, truly unreal. Presented, can we get it in the light there? Yeah, presented to wait, let's see. There we go. Presented to Raymond Strazdas for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Absolutely unreal. This is truly incredible. Thank you so much to YouTube for this. Thank you to you guys for tuning in, day out. Like I said before, whether you've been watching for years, hours, months, minutes, whatever it is, do let me know. I'm curious about that, by the way. Let me know in the comments below. But however long you've been watching, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for literally everything that you guys do. Thank you for liking, for subscribing, for making this possible, for making all this possible. Literally, like, my life has changed in more ways than one, and I can't wait to see where it goes from here. We're only going to continue to just keep on going. I'm not stopping. I want to see how far this can go, what tech we can review next, you know, what convention we can go to next, where we could go to travel next. There's just so much out there that I want to explore. I want to be a part of this, and I hope you guys will join me. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed right now. I hope you guys will join me on that adventure, and I hope you guys will continue to tune in. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart, and I'm gonna stop mumbling right now and see you guys in the next video. Peace.